Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top medical news. Research developed 3D printed gastric cancer model for personalized drug testing. A research team has developed a gastric cancer model using 3D bioprinting technology and patient-derived cancer tissue fragments. This innovative model preserves the characteristics of actual patient tissues and is expected to rapidly evaluate and predict individual patient drug responses. The research has been published in the international journal Advanced Sciences. In this study, the research team developed an in vitro gastric cancer model by leveraging 3D bioprinting technology and tissue-specific bioink incorporating patient-derived tissue fragments. Notably, they encapsulated cancer tissues within a stomach-derived decellularized extracellular matrix, hydrogel, artificially enabling cell matrix interactions. By co-culturing these tissues with human gastric fibroblasts, they successfully mimicked cancer cell stroma interactions, thereby recreating the in vivo tumor microenvironment in vitro. Study reveals new insights for preventing and treating long-term health conditions. A new study published in eBiomedicine Research has identified genetic overlaps in 72 long-term health conditions associated with aging, to identify where specific genes are linked to two or more conditions. The study analyzed millions of both genetic and patient records on the long-term health conditions for later life and has identified opportunities for new ways to prevent and treat multiple overlapping conditions. The Gemini study looked at both genetics and clinical information from more than 3 million people in the UK and Spain. With more than 2,500 combinations of conditions analyzed, the program aims to unlock cases where a drug or prevention strategies can prevent or delay the onset of multimorbidity. It also revealed genetic connections that explain why certain conditions may be more likely to co-occur in the same patient. Hidden emotional cost of social media, study finds. A new study which investigated how social media use impacts loneliness over time suggested that very platform designed to bring us together contribute to an epidemic of loneliness. The findings showed that both passive and active social media use were associated with increased feeling of loneliness over time. While passive social media use like browsing without interaction predictable lead to heightened loneliness, active use involving posting and engaging with others was also linked to increased feeling of loneliness. These results suggest that the quality of digital interaction may not fulfill the social needs that are met in face-to-face communication. The findings emphasize an urgent need for further research into the effects of digital interaction, underlining the essential role of in-person connection in supporting well-being. This study adds a valuable perspective to the conversation of how digital habits influence mental health, offering insights to shape future mental health initiatives, policies, and guidelines for healthier social media use. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.